Hi friends, it's almost the end of April. We only have 1 week of April and then it's going to be May. And May's an exciting month. There's some really fun things in May. One thing is on May 5th, which some of you probably know about, a special holiday called Cinco de Mayo. And I'm going to tell you more about that later. And then another fun thing in May that's coming up is a very special day that you remember your moms. That's called Mother's Day. So this art project we're gonna do, it could go for Cinco de Mayo, or it could even go for Mother's Day. You might want to give these flowers to your mom. We're gonna make some paper flowers, and I know they use those to celebrate a lot of things in Mexican holidays, and you could give them to your mom too. So it's a good project to do. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna have a bunch of tissue paper squares already cut out for you guys. And I'll have lots and lots of different colors you can choose from. So they'll be like this. And then when you go pick your tissue paper from the different piles of colors that I have, you can pick 5 pieces of tissue paper, 5 squares. And then I'll have these little bendy fuzzy sticks. And you just need 1 of these for each flower that you make. And you can make probably 4 flowers. I'll just let you make 3 or 4 flowers and we'll see how that goes. And if you have time, you can maybe make more. So get 5 pieces of tissue paper for each flower and 1 stick for each flower. And I'll get showing you how to make that. Okay, for my flower, this flower I'm gonna make first, I just picked dark purple and light purple. So remember I said to get 5 pieces of paper, so I got 2 dark purples right here. And I got 3 light purples. And you can do these however you want. I'm on this one, I'm gonna do the 2 dark purples right by each other. So I'm gonna do 2 dark purples, and I'm gonna put 3 light purples. But you could go like dark, light, if you wanted to alternate. Or you can have like several different colors. Like you could do rainbow colors. You can do it however you want, really. But I mean, on this one I'm doing dark, and then I'm putting light on top of the dark. So you stack them together like this. You make a nice, neat little stack, all even, of your colors. However, what order you want to put them in, it doesn't matter. And then I'm going to start folding this like, it's called an accordion fold. So you fold up and press it. Then you turn it over and fold it back and press it with your fingers. Then you turn it over, fold it. If you guys have ever done this, it's how you make a fan. If you ever made a paper fan, then you keep flipping it from the dark side to the light side. So dark side, fold it, press it, flip it to the light side, fold it, press it, flip it to the dark side, fold it. I think that's the last fold I'll do right there. So it gets to the end like this. Try to get it kind of even. So then you take it, hold it in the middle. Take your fuzzy stick and wrap it around, like bend it around. See, I'm bending this around like this. I'm gonna take this, make sure you have a little end left like this. And you're gonna twist that around the longer stem. So you leave one end longer, and you twist this small end. So it's all twist on there. So it kind of looks like a butterfly. Now, this is the fun part. So then you kind of pull these apart. And you take 1 layer at a time. Top layer of light purple. And I'm going to pull this, I'm going to separate it and pull it up like this. But don't pull too hard because it's tissue paper and it can rip. So I pulled that side up, see? I'm going to go to the opposite side, open it up, take that top layer, and sometimes they're hard to get apart, but here, I gotta get this one. Okay, then you're going to pull it up just like you did that side. So make sure you pull this paper all the way up to the middle as far as you can. That. And also you might want to kind of pull these edges in, like kind of make them go in a circle. This is going to be the middle of your flower. Okay, then you take the next layer, pull it up. Just like you did that first one. Go on the other side, take the next layer, pull it up. Oops. See, I ripped out a tiny bit because I pulled it a little bit too hard, but it's probably okay. You probably won't really notice it. Or you could actually, I could probably just like tear this little piece off. You know, I think when the flower's done, you won't really notice it. So be careful because it does rip. Okay. All right, so this, now when it's done, I kind of pull these and I try to kind of turn these in like a bowl shape. If you want to look kind of round, you can maybe go like this with your fingers and push it together. So it's maybe more of a flower shape. That's how you make a paper flower. You can give them to your mom, or you can keep them for Cinco de Mayo. Whatever you want to do with them. Aren't they pretty? All right, so that's the purple one. So I'm just gonna make a yellow one now, and you can just watch while I'll do this one. And this one I got yellow and orange. So this one I'm gonna do like, I think I'll go orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange. So about 5. Okay. You guys already know this, so I'm going to do this one faster. So. Okay, here's the one with the yellow and orange. See how I alternated orange, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow. So I hope you guys have fun making these paper flowers. They're such a pretty project. We'll talk to you next time.